Yo, what's up everybody? How's it going? So guys, today we are going to solve the another coolest problem, which is convert sorted array into a binary tree. Yes, you listen the right. We have to convert a sorted array into a binary search tree. So let me just give you some hints what what measures we can use to solve this question. So basically, if you know that binary search tree means it can be have zero child, it can be have one child, or it can be a max of two child. It cannot be have more than that. All right. So if you look at this one, so this zero has this one and two. You get my point? This is one and this has another one. All right. So that's how this problem is simple. This thing make the problem very simple. All right. So how we're gonna do is, so I will just give you a very simple trick to do this problem. So basically, let's just take this one example. All right, just give me a second. Okay, if it is visible. All right, is it visible? Yeah. So all right, so we will just take this one example simple. -10, -3, 0, 5, 9. So how we're gonna do is, we will calculate first of all mid of this problem. Okay, so mid we will get 0, so we will take this as our root, so 0 will become our root. Okay, all right. So now what we have this thing in is our left, so it will be in the left. We have this thing in the right, so it will be in the right. Now we will calculate mid of this. So if we calculate the mid, we will get -10 and from here 5. So you getting what I'm saying, doing? All right. Now what we left, -3 and 9. Okay, so the -3 will come on the right because it does not have any left. So similarly the 9 will come on the right as well, so it does not have any left. All right, so that's how we done our problem. So this is 0, -10, -3, 5, 9. It's so simple. We don't do anything, we just calculating the mid, and by the help of the mid we just simply put into our root and we just return our root. This is called excitement. So I hope things are fine. Let me just check. All right, yeah, so here we go. All right, let me just clear it up. All right guys, so now what we're gonna do is, let me just create one first of all base condition as per always, because it will help to save Stack Overflow. So if nums dot length is 0, then we will simply return null. All right, you getting my point? Now what we're gonna do is, I will just call one function which will help to construct our tree. So I will call it as construct tree. This function helps us in construct our tree, and I will give you as input as nums starting in index and the ending index, which will be nums dot length -1. I hope this thing makes some sense. All right, so let me just made my construct tree over here, and I will just simply copy this one. So because I don't want to type it again and again, saving the time. That's what we engineers do. I will call it as start and end. Alright guys. Alright, so okay, so now what we want to do is, I will again manage one base condition over here. If start is greater than end, then I don't have to, like, if start is greater than end, then it means like that tree does not have any subtree, so we'll just simply return null over here. Okay, now I will calculate my mid. It's time to calculate most important thing, mid, which helps us in construct this binary tree. This is called excitement. Okay, so how we're gonna do is, I'll just create one start plus end by 2. Okay, I can calculate like this, but doing this like for example, if the integer overflow, then what will happen? Code will crash. To save that thing, I will just simply do it like this: start plus end minus star. So this thing help us to save integer overflow, but you can do by that as well, depend on the constraints what they have given. So like I'm just using it like for a safe side, for playing safe side. Alright guys, now what I will gonna do is I will create one root node. Like I will create one root, tree node root equals to new tree node, which will be nums of mid. Alright guys, things are making sense. Yeah. Alright okay, so what I will gonna do is I will call root dot left equals to construct tree. Alright, and I will say nums, it will go from nums to, it will go from start to mid minus 1. It will go from start to mid minus, like it will go till the half, it will don't go till the last. From 0 to half, okay, it will go in the left side. So I will say start comma mid minus 1. So this nums is our array, if you know, if you have read the question, or just if you listen to my words, or just I have said. So similarly for the root dot right equals to construct tree, and we will say nums mid plus 1. So we in the left one we have go from start to mid minus 1. Now we will go from the mid to the end. So we go from the mid to the end. So for that we will use mid plus 1 till end. Alright guys, and finally we will return our root. Alright, let me just give a hit, run hit over here. Okay, so we're saying, alright, so this is why I hate myself. There's nothing else reason. I hope this code makes some sense to you guys. Just have a look. So if you have any question, any doubt, then just do let me know in the comment section. Make sure to do let me know in the comment. If you want to discuss anything, if you want to give me some new questions to post the video, I will definitely do it for you. So let me just submit this. Yeah, it's going very good. Chill out. Alright guys, thank you for watching this video. I will see you in the next one. Till then, take care, bye bye, and I love you guys. Believe me, I love you. I love you all.